Mark Fitzpatrick here. I'm in the Condo Renovation North Bethesda, the ugly condo in a prime location 2. This is version 2. We've done several here, but this is another one we're doing completely. I mean, literally, basically everything. So this is gonna be a new condo. You see all these boxes back here. Cabinets for the kitchen. So I thought I'd bring you through here when there are no workers so you can actually see everything. So the kitchen is empty, but notice the flooring. The flooring is done. Looks a lot better. So that's gonna be completely redone. Cabinets will be going in a couple of days. Let's get a glimpse over here. Kind of walking back. Bathrooms are not much different from the last time you saw them, other than the walls and everything all primed and ready for the tiles to go in. And so it'll rapidly take shape after that. Let's flip this around, look at the floors. Huge difference, right? Massive from originally. That dirty carpet, old, beat up. You can see already. Oh, obviously the painting is done too. So big difference. Not really much else to do in this room. Second bedroom, but even with all these cabinets here, it looks so much better. Lots of things to do. Kitchen, again, before you start putting all the good stuff in, so you can actually live and cook and get water and store food. So we're there. It's coming along rapidly. So this is coming down closer to the finish line. All the boxes will be out the next time you see it, and what's in the boxes will be in the kitchen, and I'm looking forward to showing you that, and looking forward to getting you in here. If you are someone that's watching this and are interested, please let me know, because if you let me know, I can get you in first, and that's an advantage. Message me and stay tuned. Click the notification button, subscribe so you can get the message for the next reveal when we've got the cabinets up, and then the countertops will come after that, and this is all gonna rapidly transform. So take care, see you soon. Off to North Potomac. I was leaving the building, and before I left actually the condo unit, I noticed something and it's bugging me. And when we get down to the finish line, little things like this, like that right there, you might not be able to see that very well. This one over here you probably can because there's less glare. There you go. You see those little tiny tears in the screen? Brand new condo, spent a lot of money here to renovate this. And little things like that just annoy me. I want to present it perfectly, as close to perfect as you can. I guess there's no perfect because everybody has different tastes, but all this being new, I don't want some little tear in the screen to ruin it. So putting down the note and getting that taken care of right away. Off to North Potomac, where we're doing some more work in the house, and then Rockville, where we're fixing up, actually not fixing up, we're redoing a bathroom to get that ready. And these are all kind of like heading towards the intersection at the same time in about a week and a half. So look forward to finishing this up and showing you the finished product. Check it out, message me below for first look. I'll talk to you soon. See you soon, bye.